Welcome to SSR Pharma Media, your trusted source for pharma knowledge. Pharmaceutical Inorganic Chemistry MCQ series, your exam power boost. Medicinal gases. Prepare, practice, succeed. Today we are going to discuss about medicinal gases. In that medicinal gases, we are going to cover carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, oxygen, nitrogen, helium. So these are all the medicinal gases today we are going to cover. Medicinal gases. In this slide, we are going to discuss about molecular formula of medicinal gases and synonym of the medicinal gases: oxygen, O2, medical oxygen, compressed oxygen; nitrous oxide, N2O, it is laughing gas and dinitrogen monoxide; carbon dioxide, CO2, carbonic acid gas in fixed air; nitrogen, N2, medical nitrogen, compressed nitrogen; helium, He, medical helium. So we'll move into the MCQs. Laughing gas is the commonly used synonym for which medicinal gas? So option C, nitrous oxide. So nitrous oxide is also called as laughing gas. It produces euphoria and analgesia, and hence it's also known as laughing gas. Fixed air is a synonym for, so option B, carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide histologically called fixed air because it is released from carbonates. Which gas is also known as dinitrogen monoxide? So option B, nitrous oxide. So nitrous oxide is also called as dinitrogen monoxide. Medical nitrogen is the synonym for, so option C, nitrogen, N2. The molecular formula of carbon dioxide is, option B, CO2. Which medicinal gas has the molecular formula N2O? So option B, nitrous oxide. So next is the molecular formula, and storage is very important of the each gases. So oxygen is stored under the compressed gas in a seamless steel cylinder, black body with white shoulder. So the cylinder should be the black body full, and shoulder should be white. Nitrous oxide, liquefied gas under compression. It is stored in blue color cylinder. Carbon dioxide is a liquefied gas in steel cylinder. It's stored under gray color cylinder. Nitrogen, it is a type of compressed gas. It is stored under black cylinder. So oxygen body is black, but is the neck of the cylinder is white. But only black color, nitrogen is only black in color. And helium is a compressed gas. It's a brown. It is stored under the brown color cylinder. Oxygen is stored as, so option C, compressed gas in black body with white shoulder. Nitrous oxide is stored as, so option B, liquefied gas under under pressure in blue cylinder. Carbon dioxide cylinders are printed option C, gray color. Nitrogen is stored in cylinder of which color? So option C, black in color. Helium cylinders used for medical purpose are colored. Option C, brown color. Cylinder containing oxygen helium mixture should be painted. So option C, white body with brown valve end. It's a color coding. Oxygen for white, white for oxygen, brown for helium. So it's a white body with brown valve end. Next is the medicinal gases test for purity and assay. So you take the screenshot and read it. So all gases are mainly assayed by gasometric analysis method by observing the volume of gas. So in this each and every assays, so for example oxygen assay, pyrogalal in alkaline solutions are used as a solution is as a absorbing agent. So that this pyrogalal in alkaline solution absorb oxygen completely and other gases will not absorb. So by measuring the absorbed gases, other volume of absorbing gases are measured. And nitrous oxide, so it is also in gasometric method, and it is also using a absorbing agents like pyrogalal, etc. And carbon dioxide's absorbing agents are so potassium hydroxide. Its volume of purity is 99.1%. And nitrogen is a gasometric method, and it's a gas chromatography, it is assayed. And helium also, it is assayed by gas chromatographic method. So the assay, all gases are assayed by only gasometric method and gas chromatography, last gas chromatographic method. But main thing, absorbing agents are used. So it will absorb the other gases. That means only the absorbing oxygen and remaining gases will not absorb. And test for purity, also you read it. Which test confirms the identity of oxygen? So option C, rekindles a glowing splint. Turning lime water milky is a conformity test for, so option C, carbon dioxide. Low density producing a high pitched voice is characteristic of, option C, helium. Helium is a very light and inert gas causing change in voice pitch. Absence of carbon monoxide in oxygen is confirmed by, so option C, no blackening of palladium chloride paper. Absence of nitrous oxide impurities in nitrous oxide, nitrogen oxide, nitrogen dioxide impurities in nitrous oxide. So nitrous oxide is N2O. So it's nitrogen oxide. This is nitrogen dioxide. Impurities in nitrous oxide is tested using, so option B, potassium and starch paper. Absence of oxygen in nitrogen is tested by, so option C, alkaline pyrogalal. Assay of oxygen is commonly performed by, option B, paramagnetic analyzer. Carbon dioxide assay involves absorption by, so option C, potassium hydroxide. Pyrogalal in alkaline solution is used in the assay of, so option C, oxygen. Minimum assay limit for medical nitrogen is, so option D, more than 99.0% volume in volume. Gas chromatography is the official assay method for all except option D, nitrogen. Nitrogen is mainly assayed by paramagnetic method, but we have mentioned as a gas chromatography using pyrogalal is a absorbing solution. But more than that, gasometric method is a very important, paramagnetic method is very important assay of oxygen. Moisture impurity in helium is tested by ensuring absence of, option C, water vapor. Failure to decolorize potassium permanganate indicates absence of, option D, sulfur dioxide. So sulfur dioxide decolorizes potassium permanganate No decolorization indicates purity of carbon dioxide. A gas that does not support combustion and extinguishes a flame is most likely. So option D, nitrogen. So next is the medicinal gases uses. So oxygen is used as a hypoxia and restitution. That means hypoxia means less oxygen supply of the body. Anesthesia support chronic pulmonary diseases, asthma or pneumonia, and liquid oxygen used for removing warts. And nitrous oxide is inhalation anesthetic and analgesic. It's used as an analgesic. Mainly used in the dentricides, they are using as a analgesic agent. Carbon dioxide is a respiratory stimulant, and laparoscopy and cryoscopic method it's used. 5% of carbon dioxide is used along with the oxygen to stimulate respiration when it is depressed in poisoning by carbon monoxide and lungs by such as morphine. Soda water containing carbon dioxide under pressure act as a carbonative and promote absorption in the stomach. Next is a nitrogen. So it is used for lungs functioning test and cryopreservations and aerosol propellant. Helium, heloxotherapy, air ray obstruction, and MRI cooling. Nitrous oxide is primarily used as, so option C, general anesthetic adjuvant or adjectant. Oxygen therapy is mainly indicated in option B, hypoxia. Carbon dioxide is therapeutically used for option B, artificial respiration stimulation. Helium mixed with oxygen is useful in, so option A, COPD with airway obstruction. Nitrogen is used medically mainly for, so option B, creating inert atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is used in medicine as option B, contrast agent in angiography. Which identity test distinguishes carbon dioxide from oxygen? So answer in the comment box. So thank you. All of you join in our WhatsApp community. You will get hands-out material. Thank you. Like, subscribe and share.